Hello, welcome back to Favorites with Laura. Today I have a collaboration with a company called Asoko. They reached out to me about some cordless under the cabinet lights that they were wanting me to review. And they let me pick out what I wanted and also give an honest review on these items. So I've seen lights like this elsewhere through Amazon and through other stores, and so I thought it was interesting to take a look at. I know a lot of people out there are looking for something cordless as well as a bright light for all kinds of reasons. Either it's a dark basement, a dark hallway, stairwell, camping, or in the travel trailer, which is what I thought these would be ideal for, in our travel trailer under the cabinet. And also with the craft room, if you have like a sewing machine or some area that you just need more light around, they also can function like a flashlight. So this is the box they came in. And then, I didn't show you this. I took one light out, but that's what it looks like inside. So I got the 3 cords, 2 more lights here, and then these little metal plates. Now, this light. So let me just show you this. You have a little sensor here and a button here. And on this side, you have your connection for the USB cord that will charge it. And then you also have these metal plates. There's enough for 2 on each. Actually, it looks like it's more than that. They do give you, they give you plenty to have 3 if you wanted 3 of these to hold these lights up. And they have the 3M tape on the back, and they would just magnetically attach. So you would just pull it, once these are attached, you would pull this down to recharge it when you need it to. The way it comes on is, if you wanted it on continuously, you just hit it one time. These are also dimmable, so if you held it down, it would dim or get brighter. Right now I had it on the dimmest setting, and then I could let go, and then it would also start to go down in the brightness, which it is right now. I don't know if you can see that all on camera, but if I hit it again, it's gonna go bright. And that's a continuous hold to get that to come on like that, okay? So if you hit it again for the second time, so one time's on, second time, you get the 2 blinks like that. Now it's set up into the motion sensor, and so one come on for you, and then you would hit it again the 3rd time to turn it off. So this has some weight to it. It's made out of metal, not plastic. Like this, I think this is going to be great for the travel trailer in our house. And also we have a couple of closets that don't have lights, so I think putting them up there is going to make a difference and be able to see what we're putting together to wear for the day. And I'm probably going to get myself another box. So they do have a discount code below, and feel free to click the link if you're interested to just take a look around. It will bring you straight into that store, and want to put that in, you can have that. It's 15% off, and click the little box to save your 15%. They're still very affordable without the discount, but I think with the discount, this box is roughly about just under $12. So I think it's a great deal. I'm very happy with the lights, and I hope you will be too. And if you are, just go below, click the link. And again, this is Asoko with Amazon, and it's a LED cordless under the cabinet lighting. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, remember hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please think about that. I invite you to do that now. And I appreciate all of you that have followed me and have created this channel together with me. And yeah, so thank you, favorites.